welcome to my channel. Please, I want you guys to subscribe and help promote my page because I need more subscribers. So you don't only have to watch, as this is educative to you. You don't only have to watch, but please subscribe, and share it. Share it to others you don't know who might actually need it and who might actually be having the same issues for a long time now. So um, this video is all about helping you guys to adjust your cooker burner. Probably you've been having experiences with your cooker burner having yellow flames and making your pots, your kitchen stuff to having this charcoal all over. You can see something like this, and we would want to fix it. Let's see. You can see the differences between these two. You can see there's a big difference between these two, so we're going to fix it. Okay, so what we do is this. Okay, so we're gonna fix it. You can see, let's okay, I'm gonna go down here. You can see over this spot, you can see there is this adjustable lever here. I'm gonna be adjusting it so we'll get the blue flame. I don't know if you can see it. It's underneath, that's where you adjust it to get your blue flame. I don't know if you can see this lever here. There is something here. You can see it. It's here, look at it. I don't know if you can see it. So it's here, adjust it, and let's go over to, so we're gonna bring it, how you see it, we're adjusting it. You can see my hands, I'm adjusting it. You're just gonna adjust it until you get the right flame. You can see it. I'm adjusting it. Okay, we are good to go. So it's just a very quick one, very easy to do. You can do it by yourself. Let's see, we have a very nice one now. So thank you for watching, and please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. You have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel. God bless you.